Mr. Wolland, are there other things that I need to know when purchasing a new home as opposed to an existing home?
Yes, there are. First of all, when you're buying a new home, typically you are buying it from a developer or a new home builder. The contract is usually a contract which is prepared by the seller as opposed to a contract prepared by the buyer. When you're buying a new home, the developer usually has a form contract that they insist that you sign. It's very important for you to engage the services of a knowledgeable lawyer in order to review that contract, because once you sign it, you will be bound to all of its terms and conditions. Typically, when you buy a new home as opposed to an existing home, you have a walkthrough period, which is a time for you to inspect the property before you go to the closing. Sometimes people like to bring a home inspector with them, and they make a punch list of things that need to be corrected before the home is in acceptable condition. Most developers' contracts require that you close, even though there are things on the punch list that you're unhappy about. Most contracts provide that the developer will fix those things within a reasonable period of time, usually 30 days. Keep in mind that you can't always refuse to close if you're not happy about problems with the house. When you buy a new home, it's important to make sure that you get all of the documentation that goes with it. That means that usually there are warranties, not only for the appliances and the other products in the home, but also for the home itself, which is called a builder's warranty. It's also important to get all of the literature that usually goes with all of the appliances and all the materials in the home. If possible, you should find out who the contractors or subcontractors are that have provided and installed these things, so that if you need something else, you can contact the proper person to get them. Also, it's important to get a set of plans to your new home. If possible, an original set of plans signed and sealed by an architect, and of course a survey signed and sealed by an engineer.